one of Asia's most classic chicken and rice dishes, but is there a way that we can make it easier? This is my one-pot version of Chinese Hainanese chicken and rice. Okay, so like a classic Hainanese chicken rice is a joy forever, but it is like a bit of a palaver to make. So I wanted to come up with a version that you could do like on a weeknight, just with one pot, so you get the same kind of, you know, chicken and rice vibes. So I'm gonna do mine today in a rice cooker, which I think is really fun. We're gonna start off with the rice first of all, adding some chicken stock here, some spring onion, ginger, and then I like to add just a little dash of some finely chopped garlic here as well for some extra flavor. It's kind of optional. If you don't like a garlicky rice, you could leave it out. And now the chicken pieces. So I'm going in here with some legs and thighs, you know me. Drumsticks are going in. And then with my thigh pieces, I've got skin on but boneless because I want to be able to slice up my thighs at the end. But you know what? You could go all bone-in pieces. Please don't do chicken breast. I mean, no. You can do chicken breast if you want to, but I mean, there is always method to the madness here. And the thing is that with these secondary cuts, if you like, you've got a bit more fat, and that fat is kind of like the flavor that really enhances the rice. So that's the reason why I like to go with the thighs and legs here. Then let's close the lid, press start, and away you go. All right, so in the meantime, we're gonna make a spring onion sauce. It's very simple. I just want some spring onion, and you need quite a bit of spring onion here. So this is often something I'll make to use up, like a bunch of spring onion sitting in the bottom of my crisper or something like that. Bottom of my crisper is such an inspiration sometimes. Now, spring onion just goes into my mortar here. Just need a pinch of salt. And then just pound the spring onion so that it's kind of smushed and a little bit bruised. So I don't need like a smooth paste here, but I definitely want to break down like the firm fibers of that spring onion. All right, so this is the situation you're looking for, kind of a little smushed and bruised, exactly that. Now, what I need to do here is heat up some oil and then also some sesame oil. Now when that oil's nice and hot, then you want to pour it over your spring onion, and the oil kind of cooks the spring onion and forms the sauce, and there's a nice little sizzle involved. And there you go. Now mine's just a straight out spring onion version today. You can add ginger, you could add garlic if you wanted to, so lots of different options there. So I'm gonna pop some of that spring onion sauce onto my serving plate. I've got some sambal oelek here as well. I like to have the extra little bit of chili with the spring onion sauce. Now let's check out what's happening in here. Ooh, nice. It smells really good. I love that smell. Oh, it's so comforting. Chicken, rice, so good. All right, so I'm gonna take the chicken out first so I can slice up the thigh piece a little bit later. And I like to do kind of like a molded rice situation. So pop my rice into a bowl and then tip that out onto your plate. Ah, the big reveal. Oh, I love it, so cute. Slice up my chicken. A little bit of cucumber, and there you go. So not the traditional Hainanese chicken rice, but certainly a lot easier. And yeah, let's get in here and try this guy. It certainly gives you the same comforting kind of chicken rice vibes. For me, I would be very, very happy. Rice has a lot of flavor. It's yum. Hey guys, I had a super delicious time making that video for you all. If you enjoyed it, then why not subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell button so you always know when I'm cooking up something yum.